I have a nice place here in the sun. Aliana's playing outside, so I was meditating and I want to go a bit further of her, that I can stay good in my power. There was a feeling that universe wants to speak through me, so I just sit and let the universe speak through me. There are some things I want to share, the things that I am going through now in this moment. We are here now for a few days with his friend that we could stay for 3 weeks or something in his apartment, and he is back for now a few days, almost a week, and we are experience that it is enough. So Aliana is feeling a bit bored or something, or there is not a lot to do here, and she likes to be around people. For me it's okay, but I prefer to be outside more, so I just do that. And that's what I want to say. Everybody has an own energy, and that we are feeling now. So everybody has his way to go, and I really prefer to be in our own aura. So me, John and Aliana, we go so much further if we are in our own power. So that's really good to experience this, what we really want, and experience how fast that we can go if we are focusing on the thing that we want. And we are so grateful that we have all these places where we are welcome. And we really can learn from each other. I'm learning every day, I'm learning again and again and again. So this is what I want to share, all these learning processes for me too, because my body is telling me so much things. Aliana is telling me so much things that maybe we can go now. Yesterday the universe really showing me a lot of things. So yesterday we eat lasagna, it was yummy, homemade. Look at my other channel, there you can see all my recipes, healthy, sugar-free, nothing added in it. So there was cheese on it, and Aliana wants some extra white sauce, bechamel, they call it here in Flemish, bechamel sauce. And that's milk, so I don't prefer to eat a lot of milk products. And we made some cupcakes, so I eat a bit of that. And there I was experience that my body was reacting. So a lot of milk products are not good for me. It's to see how you are, how others are. But for me, I was aware of the things that I was eating, so I want to see what it does. And after a few cupcakes, so there was no sugar in it, so it's with natural honey from the beekeeper. But the milk is fresh too from a cow. But from my experience is that I want to eat more and more and more. So it gives me something inside that I want to eat more, a bit more lust, like not enjoying things, but more like you really want to have this and you want more and more and more. So that's not good, because normally I don't do that. So that was good to experience that, what it does to my body. And then with the milk, I have something in my mouth here, and that I didn't had before. Things I am aware of all these things because I am totally natural into my body. And if you then are eating something or drinking something that you are not used to anymore, then it reacts. So that's very good that you are aware of this reaction. So and then yesterday we were talking, and there was a lot of words, and the universe wants me to not. It was like not resonating with me, these words, and then the universe does some things that I just don't need to listen, or I go, or that's always special how that goes. And this was happening today in the morning. Was happening. We were drinking some tea, and there was a lot talking about others. And I don't like to talk about others. I prefer to talk about myself because that's helping me. And then there was something that I just go, so that's going in the flow, not going into a conversation that you don't want because you don't want to put that energy into that. So that's self-love, that's self-respect, and you really need to do this. In the other world, that's selfish. They get this words, they stick these words like selfish, but selfish is good because you are thinking of yourself and you are living with yourself, so that's very good. That's the flow state that you are in. So that I was experiencing in this morning. That was very nice to see after. From okay, now I'm doing very good because I'm a little bit selfish, and that's good because that's self-love. So I'm proud of myself that I have this feeling again, because my body is really telling me a lot that I don't have to do this, that I can go outside doing my thing. Like yesterday I was a bit distracted too. They were talking about the earth lines and how you can see with the tool where the earth line is, where the energy is different. And I was doing that, and there was something that was you need to hold it and then go little steps by little. Don't think about that thing and it will move by itself. And that thing was onto my lip. I was like, So the universe wants to tell me that this is not the thing that I need to do. Focus on your own thing, and that you have to make the dots on it, that you can know when you are on a good way or when you are distracted from the thing that you really want. Talking about this, I'm still doing my secret message to myself from the audiobook It Works. So I'm still doing it. It's now for a long time. And I write it something extra down because there is something coming into my life and into my mind. My soul wants to tell me something, and I write it down too because I really want to do this. That's given me a good feeling, and I even know more what I want. So I have a strong feeling it will all become, it's special. Can I say more? The gratitude that I have is a lot, and the feeling into my body, I listen, because yesterday I didn't listen and today body is reacting. So, but that's good, because I told before, it's good to see the other way, because then you know what's the right way. And the feeling is so good for the moment, that we are doing so well, but just keep focusing. And there are always things in the world that wants to distract you from some things. I like to be around people, but only if it resonates with me. Otherwise it's just distracting. Just always keep in your mind and print it into your mind. Do other things that all other people are doing. Eat different things that other people are eating. Speak different than other people are speaking. Be yourself, and let the universe speak through you. And if you are around people, there is always something that the universe wants to let you know. Not all the conversations you will feel into your body, if it's okay or not, if it's resonating or not, because I believe words are so magical. And we had it yesterday about some things that I've experienced, like not eating for 10 days, not speaking for 8 to 9 days, what my experience was. And then it was reminding me that words are really, really, really magical. The first moment after I didn't speak for 7 or 8 days, something like that, was so magical, because I don't want to speak all the words out loud anymore, because they were so powerful in the moments that I was not speaking, that I was aware how much energy these words had, that I didn't speak that. And then after a few moments, after a few days, yeah, then you are a little bit sucking into this other world again, and you are speaking a bit more and a bit more, and then you are back in all these speaking words that you were before. But positive, I learned a lot of all these things, because there are a lot of words that I do not speak anymore, but I want to do more with that. If we are in our own power, we are so powerful. Just believe in yourself, and it will all become magical for your life. Okay, for the moment that it will be, have a lot of gratitude. That's so special. Be who you are, not another, but yourself. And enjoy everything that you are doing in this moment. Stay in this moment. Don't travel into your mind like future or the past. Just stay in the now. That's very important. Have a really, really nice moment in your life, and create your life like you want. Thank you for listening. I appreciate it a lot for all my followers, and thank you for watching. Have a nice experience in your life. Bye.